Hi guys! Are you looking for a chill spot with a nature view to enjoy your favorite home-cooked meals? Tara na sa Juan's Place. It's located in 18 Aquino Street, New Bypass Road, San Gabriel, Santa Maria, Bulacan. And they're open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. They have only rice, only gravy, only soup for only 119 pesos. Ayan, ang ganda talaga ng place. Nakaka-relax. Wala pang masyadong tao na nagpunta kami. So we tried their sizzling chicken, fried chicken, sizzling liempo, and sizzling pork sisig. Talagang mapapakanin ka sa sarap. Sobrang init. At yung gravy nila, sobrang sarap. Talagang mapapahingi ka talaga. And masarap din yung kanilang mixed vegetables. Ayan. The best yung kanilang sizzling sa toyo with calamansi at sili. Talagang papakanin ka sa sarap. They also have chicken Valenciana platter, balbacua, chicken inasal with Valenciana rice, grilled liempo with Valenciana rice, tapsilog, seasoning sisig, seasoning liempo, pansit canton, sagot gulaman. Their staff members are accommodating. You can enjoy dining and takeout. You can also make reservations. They accept bulk orders and bilao. High chairs are available for kids, PWD friendly and seniors friendly. Pets are welcome. Spacious parking is also available. Payment options are cash or GCash. The place is CCTV monitored. Wi-Fi is available. Sarap. And we tried their halo-halo also. Masarap din yung halo-halo nila. We really enjoyed our dining experience in Juan's Place. So if you're after a relaxed ambience to spend time with your loved ones, this venue offers ample space and serenity. Choose between dining al fresco in their cozy garden, in a traditional nipa hut, or indoors. Every dish we've tried thus far has been delicious and satisfying, providing a homemade taste that's sure to leave you satisfied. So what are you waiting for? Tara na sa Juan's Place. Thank you!